How to fix Steelseries GG not working. So one of the first things you can go ahead and try is opening it as administrator. So this is pretty much optional since you don't really have to do this. You don't have to do this usually actually. But another is to make sure you don't have other apps that are getting rid of Steelseries itself. So for example, Signal RGB. So Signal RGB is an app that automatically closes other clients that could get rid of its own features. So let's go ahead into its settings and go to the conflicts. So when this is enabled, Signal RGB will attempt to automatically close all conflicting programs. So for example, would be Steelseries over here. So because of that, the fact we have Signal RGB open, it will automatically close this process. So either you could just go ahead and disable this yourself, or you could find Steelseries GG over here, like this one. I think it's the Steelseries, and you don't have to close this. So prevent closing over here. That's what it says. So turn this on over here so that it doesn't automatically close, or you could disable this again. But anyways, once you go ahead and try opening Steelseries GG, then it should now open. But this is pretty much only one option you could go ahead and try, since the Steelseries app could be caused by different other problems. The main thing you can just go ahead and try is just restart your PC or device. But this is one way, and hopefully this one can help you. So if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.